Actually, I have heard about this. I came first time for the in Punjab. I heard that Punjab people like the changes, like to experiment, like the new thing. So this Go Green motto slogan, our mission Green Election is a experiment for the voters, people among this constituency.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning.
आज हम रूपनगर पहले रोपर के सतलुज के किनारे वॉक कर रहे हैं। एक दिन पहले इलेक्शन है, कल इलेक्शंस हैं, आज शाम को कैंपेनिंग खत्म हो जाएगी। एंड यू हैव बीन हियर एज एन इलेक्शन ऑब्जर्वर फ्रॉम 30th of May। आपका ये पूरा प्लान और एक्शन विच यू डिसाइडेड एंड जब आप आने से पहले आपकी क्या सोच थी यहाँ आने से पहले, और आपने किस किस चीज पे अध्ययन किया, एंड व्हाट वाज योर मिशन व्हेन यू रीच्ड हियर ऑन 30th May?
Actually, I got appointment on 5th May from ECI as observer for number 6 Anandpur Sahab Parliament constituency, and this constituency has 9 MLA assembly constituency, and it comes in 4 districts, but the DC of Ropar is RO, and 3 MLA seats are from Ropar, 3 from Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar, 2 from Mohali, and 1 from Hoshiar Nagar. So before coming, I collected the information regarding conducting a free, fair and eco-friendly election from ECI, from CO office, and from my old district where I was district magistrate Banda. So I got a letter issued on 21st March 2024. It has a detailed points, directions how to conduct a free, fair and eco-friendly elections. So I came on 13th May, and when I reached here, I discussed with the team, with all my 4 DCs, what they have preparation in all these 4 categories. In eco-friendly, they had planned to develop some booth as green booths. So from there, we developed 25 points strategy to conduct a eco-friendly. Since eco-friendly word is very not popular here, so we changed the name Green Election, and we developed a tagline, our mission Green Election. These 25 points are developed by, which are action points,
Right.
which are implementing points by the 4 officers in a team, that is Executive Engineer Aradhana Sharma of the Pollution, Michael of Sweep Nodal, DFO Kulraj Singh and Harjinder Singh. There are 2 DFO here, and DPRO Karan Mehta. They prepared, and we are working on that with the help of all 4 DCs and all 9 AROs. So we are getting very encouraging results, and we have made media our partner at 1 point out of 25. So media is covering, because we have to reach out the people within a short period. It is the media who can connect our issue, who can send our issue to the masses. So they are acting like our partner in this campaign.
Yeah. So within the span of this 2 weeks, you actually created this mega campaign. And what I'm seeing from the ground also is there's a huge enthusiasm. कम्युनिटी कनेक्ट, आशा वर्कर्स, लोकल अधिकारी, सबको आपने जोड़ के ये एक मिशन जो 2 weeks टाइम में आपने क्रिएट किया, और यहाँ पर जो मैंने देखिए बहुत चर्चा मीडिया में भी रही है। एंड आपका ये यहाँ पर एज एन इलेक्शन ऑब्जर्वर की तरह ये काम करना एक अलग बात है, बट यू वर ऑल्सो इनिशियली what I have seen from your social media posts, आपका बहुत passionate cause रहा है to protect the environment, to arrest the climate change, no plastic. और आपने जगह जगह universities, because I come from Delhi University, I know that आपने various universities, education institutions, schools में जाके इसको बहुत propagate किया है, इसका आपका बहुत अच्छा response भी आ रहा है. तो why is climate issue so close to you? What are the threats that you're seeing of the climate?
I want to save myself. To save myself, I have to save the Mother Earth. And to save Mother Earth is made of Jal, Jangal, Jameen. Okay.
Yes.
So it is very simple. And the basic knowledge, my backward linkage with the stakeholders, with the partners, with the knowledge regarding climate change and its devastating effect is helping me a lot to make this campaign a success. So it is based on the ECI guidelines and the team of all my 4 ACs. Dr. Preeti Yadav is DC of Ropar, Ashika Jain is DC of the Mohali, Navjot Pal Singh Randhawa is the DC of SBS Nagar. All are very good fellow.
Right.
All are also like me. They love nature. They want to fight. They want to mitigate the climate change. So there is a frequency matching among all the DCs
Right.
with me on the issue of climate change and their teams. Teams
Right.
are also very good.
Right.
And they are enjoying this campaign because you know the temperature is around more than 50, 45, 46, 47 and we are reading news every day that this
Global.
temperature is increasing and sustaining. So this is also helping to make people understand what is the value of saving the Mother Earth or mitigating the climate change, and this we can do through the steps like green elections.
Yes. एक सबसे बड़ा आपका जो पॉजिटिव एंड स्ट्रेंथ मैं कहूंगी कि इज योर ability to communicate with the masses in a very simple taglines जो आपने नो प्लास्टिक यूज के बारे में भी आप करते हैं, और इलेक्शन के दौरान में इवन दो इलेक्शन कमीशन हैड यूज्ड द वर्ड इको फ्रेंडली, यू सिंप्लीफाइड इट, मेड इट सिंपल लैंग्वेज, बिकॉज जनता तक ये मैसेज बिल्कुल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के बिना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लैंग्वेज में होना चाहिए. तो आपका ये सिंपल मैसेज गो ग्रीन या फिर ग्रीन इलेक्शन जो टर्म आपने पर्टिकुलरली यूज किया है, हाउ इज इट हेल्पिंग कॉमन पीपल, बिकॉज पंजाब के हम इस क्षेत्र में हैं, फार्मर्स हैं, मासेस हैं, तो हाउ आर यू एक्चुअली एबल टू रीच आउट, बिकॉज आपका लैंग्वेज बहुत ही पावरफुल रहता है, आप कम्युनिकेट मासेस से बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं. तो आपके दिमाग में कैसे आता है कि हाउ आर यू अ मास कैंपेनर?
No, actually there is one solid reason behind it.
Yeah.
In 2019 election, I was district magistrate, RO, DO of district Banda in UP. So
Right.
I in the last election of Lok Sabha as RO, as DO, as we had a campaign to increase the voting percentage in Banda.
Yes.
And we increased the voting percentage in Banda more than 10.5%. So I have the knowledge, I have the experience, I know the tricks and techniques how to manage a election campaign. That experience, that idea which I implemented there in 2019 Lok Sabha election of Banda, that we are just replicating by customizing the things for here. So that experience is giving me the encourage and knowledge both to launch this campaign. So I can say this is a replication of 2019 Lok Sabha election of Banda,
Yeah.
which they in a customized form to suit the local situation of the Ropar.
Yes. आपका जो ग्रीन इलेक्शन का कैंपेन है, एंड यू आर वेरी वेल इंटीग्रेटेड विद आल्सो इंक्रीज्ड वोटर टर्नआउट, Because democracy की strength तभी है if 70-80% of the people actually come out of their homes and vote. That is the strength and the spine of democracy itself. आपने green election एक campaign किया है, और second important campaign which you have integrated it is with the वोटर टर्नआउट. उसके लिए भी आपने बहुत स्टेप्स लिए हैं, आपने स्ट्रैटेजी ड्रॉ करी है. व्हाट इज दैट स्ट्रैटेजी व्हिच इज क्रिएटिंग सो मच ऑफ बज, एनकरेजमेंट, एंथुसियाज्म एंड एनर्जी, जो हमने खुद विटनेस की पर्सनली येस्टरडे आनंदपुर साहिब कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में जब हम गए रूपनगर में, एंड आई एम विजिटिंग, आई एम विद यू फॉर 2 days नाउ. हम देख रहे हैं ग्राउंड लेवल पे एक एनर्जी है, नॉट ओनली टू गो ग्रीन बट ऑल्सो टू go out and vote, even though temperature कल दिल्ली में जैसे आपने कहा 52 तक पहुंचा है. तो आपने ये टेकिंग वोटर्स आउट ऑफ द होम, उसके लिए भी कुछ स्पेशल स्ट्रैटेजी बनाई है, उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा लाइट डालिए.
Actually, I have heard about this. I came first time in Punjab. I heard कि Punjab people like the changes, like to experiment, like the new thing. So this Go Green motto, slogan, our mission Green Election is a experiment for the voters, people among this constituency. One thing. Second thing, if people will energize and they will get the energy to come and vote, it will automatically increase the voting percentage.
Right.
Even in spite of this, so this energization, this connection, this motivation, this inspiration for green election is its ultimate outcome is that voting percentage will increase. One thing. Second thing, we have meticulously planned a booth management committee. At each booth level, there are more than 12 officials like Patwari, Secretary, ASA, ANM, Lambardar, Chaukidar. We have made a committee at each booth level. Okay. And we have given them 5 duties of the committee. And this is also based on my old experience of 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Okay, they will do a meeting to synchronize the committee, to integrate, to come together, to work in team, and they will send the photograph to their ARO. So first step to how to synchronize the committee, how to bring committee in a cohesive manner. Second thing, on 31st, one day before evening of the voting. The voting in first June.
Right.
So one night before, that is in the evening of the 31st, all committee member will go in the village of that booth, and they will go door to door through loudspeaker, and they will convince, they will caution all the voters that tomorrow is your voting day, you have to come voting day. They will sleep with a message that tomorrow is voting day, and if they will dream in the coming night, they will dream about the elections. And next day, they will start their working 4 a.m. and onwards. Okay, they will go door to door, they will knock the door, they will awake each voters, and after awaking, they will ensure that they should come to the booth. That is another action point. And in the daytime, a few officials will be at booth, and rest will be in the village. From booth, they will find out who has not voted. Okay, and they will call on mobile of the official inside village that you go to voters who still not have come to vote and sent to the booth. So, and we have also planned in booth management, it should be in a festive way,
right,
in a family atmosphere way. So every stakeholder should enjoy. It should not be master slave type, supply demand type of governance. It should be a hierarchical, non-hierarchical, flat organization type of working. And this all is again my backward linkage of knowledge, experience, successful campaign I did in 2019 Lok Sabha elections.
Thank you. And I agree with you because like आप एक master planner हैं, strategist हैं, communicator हैं, and the best part is you have a linkages with the grassroots, as you keep saying. तो उससे आपके पास एक special abilities or capacity or capabilities or understanding आती है जिससे आप लोगों की नब्ज समझते हैं, you understand the pulse of the common people. और जो हमने कल विटनेस किया, you're not only communicating through officials. What I saw yesterday, नुक्कड़ नाटक के थ्रू, फोक सॉन्ग्स के थ्रू, भांगड़ा के थ्रू, आपने एक पूरा माहौल क्रिएट किया है कि दिस इज अ फेस्टिवल एंड सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. आई ऑल्सो नो दैट you've written a book, Dynamic DM. ये सब आप बहुत अच्छी बात है कि whatever you experience, whatever actions you take, you are penning it down, you're creating a book. So what this experience in Punjab, where आपकी लोकल लैंग्वेज नहीं है पंजाब, आप यूपी को बिलोंग करते हैं, 15 दिन में ऐसा कनेक्शन बना लेना, लोगों को जोड़ लेना, एक छाप छोड़ देना अपनी एक्टिविटी से, ये ज़रूर. And as a professor, Delhi University, we would like to take up this cause and create a document of your work. तो डायनेमिक डीएम तो एक किताब है, उसके बाद आप एक कोई और एक्शन जैसे लेते जा रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसा और डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, किताब या मोनोग्राम या कुछ आप लिखना चाहते हैं इसके बाद भी? About all this experience.
Already I am in the process to write my second book. I have written more than 40%, and green election already I have written 20 pages here also, because I will put one chapter as green election. And I am writing daily diary. Okay,
Yes.
whatever I do in the day, that I use to write. So date wise daily diary I am writing. And green election more than 20.
Yeah, so this is what I wanted to also show. You've already created a document of day by day.
This green election already I have documented in a very
Systematic,
simple and systematic way. And second thing is that if you want to perform, you cannot perform alone.
Right.
You need people, you need team. So to build up a team, you must be egoless, first thing. Second thing, you simplify the things in such a manner that all stakeholders should understand, even if they are illiterate. Okay.
Right.
And third point, always give love, affection. So if you have these three qualities, at any point, at any place, at any time, within no time, you will be familiar, and people will start loving, if people will start cooperating, and people will start following. So I make the things highly simple. I am completely egoless.
Yes.
And third is, I use to help each and everybody. And here also, within 13 days, many people have come for some help. I am helping. And I am giving them mental help. If they are having some problem, something, I am giving them advice, do this. So giving is another thing in different form, makes you family members of each and every.
Absolutely. आपकी बातों में what I can see is there is a Gandhian approach. I see some of the tools and vehicles which Gandhi used to create this mass movement. I see that elements, essential, qualities in you. So कहीं आप गांधी की विचारधारा से इंस्पायर होके उनसे lessons को अपनी as an administrator, as an IAS officer, do you think you are trying to create those little models of success so that becomes a history or a legacy which can be replicated by young, other dynamic new officers which will come forward and remove ego, remove the concept of power, and go down and create empathy and a connection with the masses?
Yes, I used to read and write on governance and good governance. My PhD is based on good governance. I am doing DLIT, that is also based on good governance. So what you wish to know, no doubt, I am follower of the Gandhian, and not only the Gandhian, I am follower of everyone. Every moment I am reading, writing, learning. Even if office assistant who is serving me tea, I learn from them also. Everybody, irrespective of their education or caste, creed, anything, every action is having some learning for everyone. So in that I am very clever. I am very 24 years to saving not only Mahatma Gandhi, even who is serving me, he who is taking care of me in my rest house.
Right.
I am learning many things from them. I used to discuss with them in the morning time while I walk, and you will be surprised to know the person who is there to take care of me in the night, early in the morning he came to me. He got my so much confidence because of my behavior, sir. My one SDO wants a transfer because of his family grounds. And I told him, okay, I will try my best to help him out, okay. And the next day he brought that SDO with an application. So you see, he is not able to say anything with his local official, but that peon, that office assistant, that caretaker of the your this rest house is having that much faith, that much command in me,
Right.
that he requested for his well-wisher SDO to get to manage his transfer. So that I used to go into the feelings of the masses.